In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by opening settings and scrolling to hit safety and emergency. Then click on emergency contacts. Tap on add at the bottom and click on the contact you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. After each one, you will see this pop up. If you want to notify this contact that it became your emergency one, hit OK. If you don't, select cancel. If you want to manage your list, click on this icon at the top right corner. And to remove any contact from your emergency ones, use this X next to it. Then hit remove in the pop-up. You can always replace it by tapping on add contact and clicking on another one. Either way, let's check out if it worked. I will go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up. Then choose emergency at the bottom left corner. Tap on emergency information at the top and choose emergency contacts to see that mine were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!